Bonjour la classe. This is a quick review of definite and indefinite articles. If you remember from the beginning of our unit, we talked about preference verbs and the articles that follow preference verbs. So the preference verbs are préférer, to prefer, aimer, to like, adorer, to love, and détester, to dislike. So anytime that you are using one of these verbs plus some food, you have to use what we call a definite article. It means the. So in the table below, go ahead and write le, la, and les, and all of those mean the. Then write masculin, féminin, and pluriel. So le, la, and les are our plural forms of the definite articles. Okay, so this would be like when you're saying, I like pies, I like French fries, I like soda, I don't like quiche. Okay, so all of these are using the definite articles, because you're saying you don't like all of those things. Okay, I don't like any croissants, I don't like them at all. Je déteste les croissants. So anytime you have aimer, adorer, préférer, or détester, okay, you have to use le, la, or les. Then over here we have what we call our indefinite articles. They're undefined because they just mean some, basically. So, or one, or a. So we have un, une, des, de, la, and du. So masculine we have un, which means a or an, and du, which means some. Féminin, une, which is a or an, and de la, which means some. And both of those, both un and une, and du and de la, in the plural form, change to des, which just means some. So if we look up here, sur la table, il y a soda. Soda est masculin. So we come over here, it's masculin. Is it a preference verb? No, it's an indefinite article because we have avoir, il y a. So is soda masculin ou féminin? It's masculine. That means my choices are between un and du. And do I say there is a soda or there is some soda? I would accept both. French people will probably say du. Quiche, est-ce que c'est masculin ou féminin? You could say there is une quiche. Sur la table, il y a une quiche. Or you could say sur la table, il y a de la quiche. Because both make sense, we'll just say une. Sur la table, il y a. So look at fruit. There's an S on the end of it, so it becomes des. Here we have negative. These are tricky because anytime in the negative, these become de. So, sur la table, il n'y a pas de sandwich. Il n'y a pas d'omelette. Why is it des apostrophes? So, this is D apostrophe because we have a vowel right next to a vowel. So it becomes des apostrophes. Okay. So in the negative, these become de or des apostrophes depending on what they precede. So if we come down here, we're going to pick between any of these articles for whichever, whatever the sentence says. So here we have a preference verb, and what do we use with preference verbs? Le, la, or les. And here the word is quiche. Quiche is feminine, so we're going to say j'aime la quiche. Il y a une quiche sur la table. Okay, right here, je n'aime pas les omelettes. Il n'y a pas. So it's negatives. So this isn't a preference verb, so we don't need to worry about le, la, or les. Then it leaves it this. What do you see right here? It's negative. So that means we need it to be de or des apostrophes. And because there's a vowel, we're going to use des apostrophes. Il n'y a pas d'omelette sur la table. J'adore la glace. Il y a. So right here, it shows that it's la glace, it's feminine. And this is not a preference verb. It's just saying there is some ice cream on the table. So feminine is de la. So we're going to type de la glace sur la table. Okay, gâteau, cake. If you don't know that word, you can look it up on word reference. It is masculine. You can tell it's masculine because we use un gâteau. So if we have a preference verb, masculine, we can use le. Okay, so keep going. Do this on your own and then attach a picture of your completed exercises on Canvas.